So, welcome. This is a color by numbers app that I made using Streamlit. The first thing is the normal sign up, sign in details. With the sign up, of course, you can register all the details, and in case you forgot them, you can reset your data. And to sign in, simply we put just the username and password and sign in. So sign in is successful, and we go to the main app. Okay, so we browse for an image. Let's get this one. A very good looking one. Okay, so the first thing we do is that we generate a color map uh, to use. So if I say, I think one color, two, three, and four, maybe five colors would be fine. So I say five colors and color map. So, okay, based on the tolerance to group the colors, we get only three colors. Not very good. So maybe we decrease that tolerance a bit and we make color map. And this is good. Well, actually, this last one, we don't need it. So we decrease the colors themselves by one. And yep, that looks good. Four colors for that image. Colors are pretty good. So, okay, let's say, well, these are the RGB values, so I'll just replace them with text if I want. This is optional. And let's say this is light brown, and this is dark brown, and this is uh, black. And we update the captions to be put beneath the image. And well, show color box is that in the final image you have those boxes shown or not if you want. So I'll leave them on as a default. Okay, and we hit generate, and you see the progress bar. Well, it's generating a color by number image, and we're waiting for it to finish. Yep, it's done. And well, this is the quantized image of our image, so it's good, looks good. And this is our color by number image, looks pretty good. Like this horn is number three, so number three is dark brown. The eyeball is number four, which is black. The body, this part is dark brown, this part is light brown, and so on and so forth. So seems working well. And if I want to add more images, that's fine. We can just browse for more images. Let's select this cute elephant. And of course, you can navigate back and forth through the images, put as much images as you want. And in the end, you can save all with where it all saves to a single zip file with all the images stored on your computer. And once we do, we just sign out. Thank you.